How to fix Facebook Messenger calls not connecting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix Messenger's call not connecting. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right in. To fix your Facebook Messenger's calls not connecting, first check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable and fast Wi-Fi. If not, you can try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi. Sometimes a weak connection is a common issue of call failures. If this does not work and networks is not the issue, try to restart the app. Open up your app and then swipe up and remove it from the background. And that should fix the problem for you after you reopen it. If this does not work, what you can do is update the app. So go to your Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and if you see an update button, tap on update. Make sure that you have the latest version available. Then we'll head over to our settings and clear out the cache. So locate your app, long press on it, and tap on App Info. From here, navigate to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. After you clear off the cache, some bugs which might be on the app data will also get removed. After that, you can then check for your app's permission. So you can do that by also heading over to your app, long pressing on it, and going to App Info. From here, you'll find permissions. Tap on it. And from here, make sure that you have given it camera and microphone permissions. After doing that, that's basically it. Now, the other fixes, which might not be the case for you, can be heading over to the app and checking your block list. So check for your block list. If you have blocked someone, head over to menu on the bottom right, then go to settings. On your settings, you should find people that you've blocked. If not, you can go to your block list from your Facebook. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all the fixes for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.